Hello everyone. Today shall discuss. Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 11.4 question number 9. The adjoining figure represents a rectangular lawn with a circular bed in the middle. This is a circular bed. Find the area of the whole land. You have to find the area of the whole land, the area of the flower bed, the area of the flower bed, the area of the lawn excluding the area of the flower bed, and the circumference of the flower bed. Right? For here it is. You have to find first of all the area of the whole land. Length of the rectangular lawn, length of the length of the rectangular lawn, length of the rectangular length of the rectangular lawn, length is, here you see, that is 10 meter, 10 meter, and breadth of the rectangular lawn of the breadth of the rectangular lawn, breadth of the rectangular lawn is equal to, breadth is, you see, 5 meter, 5 meter. Therefore, area of the whole land is 10 into 5, that is length into breadth. Therefore, area of whole land, the area of the whole land, whole area of the whole land is equal to length into breadth, right? That is equal to length into breadth, that is L into B, L into B. Length here you see is 10 meter, that is 10, and breadth is 5. And here you see meter into meter is meter square. The area unit will be meter square. That you are getting 50 meter square. 50 meter square. This is the answer of question number 1. Number 2 is the area of the flower bed. The area of this flower bed. Radius is given. Radius of the flower bed. Radius of the flower bed. Radius of the flower bed. Radius of the flower bed is equal to 2 meter, right? Therefore, area of the flower bed, 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 area of the flower bed. This is a circle, therefore area will be pi r square, right? That is pi r square, or we are getting the value of pi is 3.14, 3.14 into 2 r square 2, and the unit will be meter square, meter square. What are you getting? 2 to the 4 is 3.14, 3.14 into 4. You are getting 4 4 is 16, 4 4 is 16, 4 is 4 plus 1 is 5, and 3 4 is 12. Point is 1 2, 1 2 5 6, 1 2 5 6 5 6 meter square. This is the area of the flower bed. Now question number 3, area of the lawn excluding the area of flower bed, right? Now area of the lawn, area of the lawn, area of the lawn excluding the area, excluding the area, area of the flower bed, excluding the area of flower bed, that is equal to area of lawn minus area of flower bed equal to area of lawn minus area of flower bed minus area of flower bed area of flower bed area of flower bed. Now the area of lawn is 50 meter square and area of flower bed is 12.56 meter square. So if you subtract it, that is 50 minus 12.56, 12.56, and the unit will be meter square. You are getting, this is 50, 55, 0.00, and it is 12.56, 12.56. This is 4, carry 1, 5, 1, 6. This is 4, 6, that is 4, 3, 7, 2, 3, that is 37.44 meter square. It comes to 37.444 meter square, right? This is the area of the lawn excluding the area of the flower bed. And next one is question number 4 is the circumference of the flower bed. Therefore, the circumference of the flower bed circumference of the flower bed is equal to, this is a circle, therefore the circumference is 2 pi r, right? Circumference is 2 pi r, that is 2 pi r. Therefore you get the value as 2. The value of pi is 3.14, and radius is 2 meter, it is 2, right? Radius is 2, right? Therefore we are getting, here you see we have multiplied this one and we are getting 2 to the 4, 3.14 by 4, that is 12.56, that we are getting 12.56 meter square, 12.56 meter. This is the sense, this is the circumference, for 12.56 meter. Again you see that length of the rectangular lawn is 10 meter and breadth of the rectangular lawn is 5. Therefore the area of whole land is length into breadth, that is 10 into 5, that is 50. And the radius of the flower bed is 2 meter. Area of the flower bed is pi r square, that is pi 3.14 into 2 into 2, that comes to 12.56 meter square. And area of the lawn excluding the area of the flower bed is equal to area of lawn minus area of flower bed, that is this is 50 minus 12.16, that is comes to 37.44 meter square. The circumference of the flower bed is equal to 2 pi r, 2 into 3.14, and r is 2, that is 2 to the 4, and 3.14, 12.56. Therefore the circumference of the flower bed is 12.56 meter. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.